Once again, we come to a moment of true celebration, a recognition of hard work, resilience, and academic excellence. We are about to honor the students who have successfully conquered the Cambridge English First for School examination, a globally respected qualification that proves their ability to communicate with confidence at an upper intermediate level. These students have not only faced the challenge, they have risen above it. They have proven their skills in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And today, they stand as young global communicators. So, with immense pride, we now begin the distribution of FCE for Schools certificates. To present the certificates, may I warmly invite Mrs. Nishani Pereira once again onto the stage. And she'll be accompanied by Mrs. Shashiprabha Rajapatirana, our dynamic teacher of science and health and physical education. Let's treat them with a big round of applause. First, I would like to call upon Master K. Osanda Vidusara Silva. I am Situm Geethika Dharmakirti. G. Kavindu Sudesh Fernando. I am Sasiru Angisara Ilangakon. B. A. Situm Satsara. LP Tarun Tatsara Lenapatirana. AG Moksha Dimagi. Gayashi Pahasarani Bopage. W.A. Ketaki Lankesha Edrisingha. S.A. Manuti Lasalya Sudasingha. R.M. Situmni Nulara Ratnayaka. A.A. Sahanya Deshani Adhikari. P. Hiroshi Dulhara. T. A. Chamal Shah Devmini. S. Sachini Lakshika Silva. K. H. Kaumadi Shakuntala Kodagoda. And now, we take a moment to applaud a very special achievement. A remarkable grade A in Cambridge English First for School exam. This is not just a pass. It's a demonstration of excellence in every skill. Please join me in congratulating our FCE grade A achiever, B.A. Sidmi Netsara. And with that, we conclude the distribution of the FCE for School certificates, a celebration of hard work, perseverance, and linguistic excellence. To all the recipients, may this achievement be a stepping stone to even greater successes, and may you continue to grow in confidence and capability. Let's give one final round of applause to all our proud achievers. We now arrive at the final moments of today's celebration. To express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event meaningful and memorable, I now invite Master Netindu Niduwara to deliver the word of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Aurelia, I have the immense honor and joy of delivering the vote of thanks on this truly memorable occasion, the Cambridge Certificate Award Ceremony. A day that celebrates not just certificates, but devotion, grit, and the dream to shine brighter every day. First and foremost, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Nishani Pereira, for joining us today. Your presence had added great value to this event, and your inspiring words have truly left an impact on all of us. To our dedicated teachers, thank you for being the guiding lights behind every student's achievement. Your hard work, commitment, and belief in each learner have made this accomplishment possible. To the parents and families, we extend our sincere appreciation. Your constant support, love, and encouragement have been crucial throughout your child's academic journey. And most importantly, to our awardees, congratulations. Today is a celebration of your stamina, passion for learning. May this achievement be the just of the beginning of many more to come. And lastly, to everyone present here today, thank you for being the part of this celebration. Your presence had added warmth and spirit to this event. May the name Aurelia continue to be associated with the brilliance as we continue to guide and inspire the next generation. Let us carry forward the spirit of today and let this achievement be a stepping stone of many more successes in your lives. Thank you once again and congratulations to you all.
And just like the last note of a beautiful melody, we bring this golden celebration to a graceful end. Aurelia, a name that speaks of light, brilliance, and beauty, has become the perfect reflection of what we have witnessed today. Every award given, every smile shared, every round of applause was a tribute to the golden spirit that lives within all of us. May the glow of Aurelia stay with you, reminding you to aim high, give your best, and shine from within. Thank you, one and all, for being part of this golden journey. Until we meet again, keep glowing golden. This is Aurelia 2025.